Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is a very expensive mouse. It's from Apple. As you can see, there's the Apple logo there. And the big question is it worth it? And I do want to know, is it worth it? Is it better than an ordinary $10 mouse? So let's find out. Okay, so the box is very nice. And the mouse itself is very slick, very nice. It's got the logo there, the Apple logo. It's very shiny too. And I don't think there's anything else. Oh wait. There's some instructions, which I hope we won't need. And a charging cable. So this is the older type. And where do you charge? You charge right here. So you can hear it. So you have to leave it like that, I guess, to charge it. Okay, so according to the instructions, to pair the mouse to your Mac, you have to click it like that on the mouse. And then go to the Mac over here. And then wait for it to be paired. Oh, I forgot. You have to slide the switch. There's a switch here. And now we're ready. Click OK. And that should be it. Now we can disconnect. And now it's working. Okay, so now let's test the mouse. To test the mouse, we're going to need some help from this cat right here. So the cat is going to help with the mouse. So here's the mouse. So far it's just doing basically the same as any other mouse. So to scroll, you just go like this. Use one finger and you can go up and down. To zoom, you just double tap like that. So it's not a good zoom, so I'm not thrilled about it. And that's it. So if you want to go left, you do like that. You want to go right, you do like that. You want to go up like that, down like that, and then zoom like that. You can adjust the speed and everything. Just go over here in settings, go all the way down to mouse, because right now I have it very slow, so I'm going to make it fast. And then you can invert the scrolling direction if you want. Right here, natural scrolling, I leave it on. So that's the Apple style. So it mimics the same when you do it like this or when you use an iPad. Basically, it's like the screen sticks to your finger. Now if you want to do it like a Windows, you can just turn that off, but I'm going to leave it on because I'm very used to the Apple style. And you got the smart zoom over here, the tracking speed, and you got a few more gestures here. If you want, you can turn them off. If you were to zoom in, then you can do left and right. See, like that. If you zoom in a lot, yeah. But anyway, I think I'm done with this. I showed the main part. Let's close that. And let's close this. Okay, so we have reached the end of this review, and I made a comparison off camera, and I made a little demonstration on camera. The differences between the two, of course. This one allows a lot of gestures with the touch surface over here. This one you just click and you can hear the click. The other benefit that the Magic Mouse has is that you don't have to connect this thing to the computer. If you lose this, you're out of a mouse. You can't do anything without this. You lose it, you have to buy a new mouse. On the other hand, the Magic Mouse, there's nothing to lose. It's a single piece. so you can connect it directly to the computer without that connection. It's rechargeable. This one you have to put batteries in there, as you can see right there. Energizer, I don't work for them or anything. You have to put those batteries. So that's a good thing and a bad thing, because this one, if you run out, you have to recharge the whole mouse and you have to wait. While this one right here, you can just take the old ones out and put new ones in. So that could be a bad thing for the Magic Mouse. The Magic Mouse, if you lose it, of course you have to pay a lot of money to replace it. This one, you can just go to any stores like Walmart, Target, and 10 bucks you get a new mouse. Okay, so the big question is it better than a regular mouse? And the answer is yes, it is, in my opinion. I do feel that it is a little bit better than a regular mouse. Not a whole lot, not a huge difference, but it is better. And the main reason being the scrolling. It does have a very smooth scrolling, as opposed to this clicky and kind of pixelated scrolling. This is like very clicky, and this was very nice and smooth. So that's the biggest difference, and probably the only difference that I can think of. The only main difference. The other things are just little things that you can live with, no big deal. But that smooth scrolling, I definitely do like it. I'm gonna rate it, the Magic Mouse. I'm gonna have to take 1 star off, so I'm gonna give it 4 stars out of 5. Basically because of the price, and so it's 4 stars out of 5. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.